Good morning everyone, it's 9:45 on a Saturday. I woke up at 8:30. I'm so excited to open this mermaid tail box, but I can't yet because everyone's still sleeping and I'm probably going to be really loud when I open it. It's a Saturday, so I'm going to maintain the peace and I'm going to open it up later. So good night, sleep tight.
Hello everybody, thanks for tuning in. 4 years ago, I saw my first Silicone Mermaid tail. And I couldn't believe that those were actually a thing. I couldn't believe how real they looked, and for me, that's when the dream kind of ignited. I was in college paying for it by doing swim lessons. So, I mean, swimming, working with kids, maybe adding some sparkles, maybe adding some singing, maybe making this like my own thing and being able to combine a lot of hobbies into this and kind of pour my soul into this passion. So I have been waiting to become a mermaid, and today is the day. My tail from See-Through Seas, also known as Alicia, oh my gosh, I'm just so nervous right now. Alicia Underwater and Jim Ward of See-Through Seas. I started making this tail with Alicia about 5 months ago, and it is an Abalone inspired tail, which has a lot to do with who I am and how I'm related to the ocean and why I care about it so much. And so this is my unboxing video of my See-Through Seas Mermaid custom silicone tail, and let's do it. Oh, we have delivery. Is it going? Okay. Alright, we got delivery. I have scissors. Should use those. Hi guys. What is it? Oh, we got packages. More packages. Tis the holiday season. Please reuse and recycle this packaging to help our Earth. A message on the inside from Alicia. Alright, I'm shaking. Oh my gosh. Alright, hold on, let me get back. Oh my gosh. There's so much more. Okay. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, she's huge. There she is. Oh my gosh. She's beautiful. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. That's a mermaid tail. That is a heavy duty. So I designed the tail with Alicia underwater. It was really a team effort. She's got some iridescent, she's got a lot of glitter and color. She's got the dorsal back there. You can see here she's got glitter everywhere you can see. I can't wait to see her out in the sun. Oh my gosh. And that is my new mermaid tail! I'm Becca, I'm the Millennial Mermaid, and thank you for watching. Have a good day! I have to show more, look at the back! Look at it! This is my favorite part, it has to be. Oh, she's got some look to her. That's why we went to the gym all week. I think that's gotta be one of my favorite parts. There we go. There she is. Okay. Thanks for joining, guys. Have a good day. so pretty. What do you think?